Hi, I'm looking for ratchets, and I was wondering if you qualify. You look pretty ratchety. You some snooky looking motherfucker. Like, damn, bitch. Okay. Yo, what's poppin', G? Yeah, man, rock that shit out. Hi, I'm looking for ratchets, and I was wondering if you qualify. Holy shit, you're like fucking 50 years old. Oh my, Jesus Christ. What's up, buddy? How do you do that? Yo, dude, we're twins.
There you go.
We're twins.
You're like my long lost brother.
Dude, we're both wearing blue. Man, look at this.
Oh, hell yeah.
Your lips so big, man. You look like Earl Sweatshirt. Looking for, are those your tits? It's a living legend right here. Wait, isn't John Legend, isn't he dead? I like you. Okay, he's gone. Okay, bye.
Look at my gun. It's Flex Friday.
Oh my good God, man, you are so right. Hey, it's not a fucking. Hey, hi, little guy. What's your name? You know what? You ain't even talking to the McDonald's menus. You're gonna have to type that shit in. Like, bitch, I want a McDouble and a large fry. You'll hold up the line for miles, man. It's like the 2006 gas crisis. British, yo, British. Yeah, yeah. I like British people. Look at that tit. Yeah, you like that. Can I name them? I'm gonna name one Bonquisha and Kool-Aid-Disha, alright? Because, you know, the yellow one looks like she got a little Latina in it, so, you know, I wanted to add take the red. I can see down your shirt, girl. Girl, I can see down your shirt. How many can a ratchet take without passing out?
Ratchet can pop exactly 4 mollies.
You're right. Then they sweating. Alright. Alright. So, question 4. Alright. What are you having, like a sesh circle there? Like you can spin the computer around in the middle in the circle and like it shows a whole bunch of different people? Oh my good God, look at this.
How about 2 people?
Oh shit. Okay.
We ain't got friends.
Oh yeah, me neither. Trust me. Okay. I'm pretty ratchet, that's why. Anyways. How many guys do ratchets have sexual contact with within 24 hours?
3.5.
3.5, so what, they like fucking a midget or something?
Exactly.
Alright. Hi there, I was wondering if you're willing to take the ratchet test. Alright, fuck you too.